Welcome to the deep dive. Okay, so you sent us some fantastic sources on this new Chopard Alpine Eagle, the 41 SL Cadence 8HF ceramicized titanium.
That's the one. Quite a mouthful.
It is. Our mission today really is to get under the hood.
Yeah.
What makes this watch tick? What makes it genuinely stand out? Let's just dive in. What's the big deal, the core innovation here?
Well, for me, it's definitely Chopard pushing those material boundaries. You know, the case, the bezel, the crown, it's all this ceramicized
The
titanium.
outside titanium, so it's like treated titanium?
Exactly. Think of it as titanium, which is already light, right? But it undergoes this special surface process, makes it way harder, much more scratch resistant, almost like ceramic.
Ah, okay.
But crucially, it stays super light. So it's not just about looking good, though that bead-blasted finish does give it a cool, modern, sort of technical vibe. It's about durability, comfort.
Mm-hmm. And that technical feel, it's not just superficial, is it? The sources, they really hammered home that this material thinking goes deeper.
Oh, absolutely. And this, for me, connects to the bigger picture, the engineering side of watchmaking. It's pretty fascinating.
How so?
Because it's not just the outside. The main plate and the bridges of the movement itself, the caliber 01.14C, they're also made from ceramicized titanium.
Inside the movement.
Yeah. That's a serious commitment. It's about shaving off weight right at the heart, the engine of the watch. Pretty rare to see that level of integration.
Okay, speaking of the engine, that caliber, 01.14C, the beat rate caught my eye in the sources. What's going on there? High performance.
Definitely high performance. It's a high-frequency movement. It beats at 57,600 vibrations per hour. That's 8 hertz.
8 hertz, okay.
So for you, the listener, what that means is, well, incredibly precise timekeeping. And you get that really smooth, gliding sweep of the seconds hand. It just looks precise.
Yeah, the quality, yeah.
Totally. Plus, it's automatic, got a solid 60-hour power reserve, and you can actually see it working through the sapphire case back.
Ah.
Yep, marked Cadence 8HF. And even the rotor, the tungsten rotor inside, has this pop of orange inscription. Ties it all together visually.
That level of detail, it sounds like a really cohesive design. So beyond the internal engineering, how does it actually look and feel on the wrist?
It really holds together well. It keeps that wearable 41 millimeter size, and it's pretty slim, 9.75 millimeter thick. You still get the screw-down crown, the compass rose detail, 100 meters water resistance, so, you know, practical for every day.
And the dial. That pitch black name.
Yeah, the pitch black dial, it's done with stamping and then a PVD treatment, physical vapor deposition, basically bonds the color on for depth and durability. But it still has that signature Alpine Eagle sunburst pattern, the one inspired by an eagle's iris.
Right, okay. And it's not just pitch black, it's also SL, super light.
Exactly. The SL means the dial base itself is titanium, another weight-saving touch.
Light all the way through.
Pretty much. And against that dark dial and the fade-resistant anthracite gray case, those bright orange accents really stand out.
You mean the seconds hand?
Yeah, the arrow-tipped seconds hand got that little eagle feather counterweight too, nice touch. And the high-frequency symbol, the minute markers, all in that sharp orange.
Makes it sporty.
Very sporty. And practical, too. Cool gray superluminova on the hands and markers, even the Roman numeral at 12 for when it's dark. And the date window at 4.30, white on black, blends right in.
So pulling it all together, what does this mean for you, wearing this watch day in, day out?
Well, it means you've got something super comfortable, really light, versatile, looks sharp, and you've got good strap choices, too.
Oh, yeah.
Black or orange rubber both have a titanium insert, or a black calfskin leather with orange stitching. And the buckle is ceramicized titanium, too, keeping that material consistency.
Nice. Sounds like it's probably not something you see every day, though. Exclusive.
Oh, for sure. It's limited. Only 250 pieces are being made.
Okay.
And the price reflects that EUR 26,800. It really is positioned as this blend of, you know, advanced materials and high-end watchmaking.
So to sum up this deep dive, it seems Chopard's really pushed the boat out with this ceramicized titanium, not just for looks or toughness on the outside, but integrating it right into the movement. A real fusion of material science and precision engineering.
Yeah, and it makes you think, doesn't it? It raises this interesting question. How do these kinds of material advancements, like ceramicized titanium, keep changing our definition of luxury and performance? It's blurring those lines between, like, pure engineering and watchmaking art.
That's a fantastic point to ponder. Well, thank you for sharing these sources. It's been really fascinating digging into this mix of traditional craft and seriously cutting-edge materials.